Okay, class, I'm starting a video and I'm thinking about, have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered what a fraction is and how it's represented and trying to make sense of the whole thing? So I'll just take you basically, we know a fraction is exactly a part of something. It can be represented like this. It's 1 out of 2 things, 3 out of 4 things, 5 out of 6 things, etc. So fractions are parts of a whole thing. Like if you have a whole piece of pie or a whole pizza. We look at pizza. A fraction is a piece of it. That's what a fraction is. And you can represent these numbers as decimals or percent. So how in the world, you already know half, 50%. That's just common judgment, But how did you come up with it? Let me tell you how you did it. You just divide the bottom number into the top. Then it's 2 in the 1. And you wonder, I can't divide 2 into 1. So what I do is I add zeros. I can divide 2 into 10. So I am dividing decimals. I bring the decimal straight up. And that's how we get our 50. 2 times 5 is 10, etc., etc. That's how we get that. And the same thing. Let's say if you're talking about 5, 6. You want to change it to a decimal. Just divide by the bottom number. Oops, did I do that wrong? Nope, the other way. I have to put the 6 on the outside, then the 5. So then I will bring the decimal straight up. 5, 6 won't go in the 5, but it go in this 50. How many times? 8. 6 times 8 is 48. And then you have 2 left over. Okay, so you have 6 will go into 20 3 times. So that's an 8 there. I can't find my eraser, so I'm not going to worry about it. So that's an 8 that I have here. And then if I divide 6 into 20, it'll give you a 3 here. 3 times 6 is 18. And you see it's going to keep going on and on and on. So we see that 5, 6 is the 0.83 as a decimal. And simply to change that decimal to a percent, that's 833 repeating, you move the decimal twice and it's 83%. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to talk about how do you add them? How do you put them together? What does it look like?